SMIP is the Student Managed Investment Portfolio, and this is an opportunity for students to be involved with the stock market and get to learn how things work, investments and everything, and we get to do it as a group.
Basically, we meet every week or bi-weekly to discuss certain changes in the market, and every other week we pitch a stock and we kind of like discuss if we want to like sell the company or buy even more. It kind of like depends if we already hold the firm.
The portfolio was created to have a practitioner-based real-world experience, a real-world education for students, and they make decisions on investing, buying and selling equity investments.
You actually get to invest real money on the live market. This isn't paper trading, this is real time. You really follow it and you get to look at the sectors and everything and actually look into what's good to invest in and why or why not you should invest into things.
We are involved with the CFA research competition out of Cleveland. It's a team of 4 to 5 individuals that will put together a professional analyst presentation and then defend it in front of a jury of professional CFA charter holders. And then they defend their analysis in a written format and a formal oral presentation.
I feel way better about finance now. I took a couple of classes with Dr. Falter in the fall and also in the spring, and being involved with SMIP helped me a lot because, as I said, you're surrounded by the smartest finance people at Wash and also like very determined students. Now I feel like I'm in the position where I could help people with their finances.
It's a unique experience. It's a practical experience that students can get while they're in college. They do not have to worry about making a bad decision because there is oversight. They have peers that they can rely on, and they can get that experience before they're out in the real world, and they can gain real-world practical money management experience that many of their peers at other colleges can't get.